Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you a little trick I have learned while recording my videos of my adventures on my GoPro. So a lot of you actually may know this trick, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you, for those of you who don't know about this, what I have learned about this. So, you know, a lot of you know that I like to, when I go on my adventures and stuff, I like to bring my GoPro. And the thing is about those is that, you got these little tiny SD cards that, you gotta bring along with them, and they are very, very, very easy to lose. One of those, they're smaller than, even the size of a penny. So, you drop one of those inside your bag and you're pretty much going to spend an hour trying to dig it back out and whatnot. So it's very, very, very annoying. But I've actually figured out a way how you can do this with the standard plastic casing. You can actually store it very easily, actually multiples, in the plastic casing. And you don't have to fish them back out or anything like that. It makes it a whole lot easier to get them. But anyway, so what is this doing? Okay, all right. So here we have is we got my GoPro here. This is what I use for my adventures. We got my SD card adapter, my micro SD cards right here, and we also have my SD card holders. This is actually the one that comes with the SD cards, like when they come packaged and everything. So one thing that you may notice, so you kind of have it set out, you get in the package is the SD card slot. You also get the SD card itself on its side right there, held in this little bracket right here. So that seems like it's almost about it. But I'm going to show you a little something on how you can hold up to 4 of these inside of this. First and foremost, it may actually seem pretty obvious to you. One way you can actually save space is you can actually slip another SD card inside. This is really hard to do with one hand. You slip it inside the micro SD card adapter, and you slip that right in there. You can put another one in. But, all right. So you can take another one of these, and you can see how there's these little extra plastic brackets holding these extra prongs on each side here, so that it can support that one piece. If you take this SD card and place it right here like this, so you're gonna have it set to where this one's gonna be facing up, this one's going to be facing down, and then this one is going to go right on top of it. This will fit perfectly inside it. And now you actually have, when you close this, I'm gonna put that right there, close that right there. And you can actually take this, shake it around. It stays nice and secure inside of there. Very, very convenient and easy way to travel with these things. You can just slip it inside your pocket, and you can take it out real easily. Here's how it looks from the back and everything. This SD card on the top will hold it down very, very easily. Just when you open it up, just gotta be careful about where they go and everything. And yeah, you can hold at least up to 4 SD cards, regardless of what size you have, in one single case right here. So you don't have to worry too much about them, and you just slip it inside your bag and you can take them out. They're all together. And yeah, very easy and convenient. Don't have to go out and buy extra cases for this and all that. You know, you can, now you have extra storage and stuff for your GoPro. So yeah, just a little life hack that that I've learned. But yeah, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe as well. And make sure to share this video, comment, and yeah, it'll greatly help out the channel, and I'll greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.